hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your Class 7 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our first chapter integers and your exercise 1.3 first main. Find each of the following products. Product, immediately you should remember 2 points. When you are multiplying integers, if they are having same sign, if you multiply, the result is positive. If you multiply two integers with a different sign, your answer will be negative. Okay? Number later you can multiply. That is plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Okay? Let us start your first sub question in it. That is A, 3 into minus 1. When you have a negative sign, we use with a bracket. 3 into minus 1. You have here plus 3. Plus 3, no need of writing always with a plus sign. Only 3 means it is plus 3. First, when you are doing any product, you need to multiply the signs first. This is question. Let me rewrite the question again. 3 into minus 1 is equal to plus into minus, different signs. If you multiply, you get a negative. 3 ones are 3. 3 into minus 1, your answer is minus 3. Next one. Minus 1 into 225. Rewrite the question. Minus 1 into 225 is equal to. Multiply the signs. Minus into plus. Minus 1 into 225. It will be 225. Okay? Are you able to follow? Now, C. Minus 21 into minus 30. Rewrite the question again. Minus 21 into minus 30 equal to. Multiply the sign. Minus into minus. Plus 21 into 30. How can you multiply this easily? When you are multiplying with any 10, 20, 30, 40 like that, this 0 as it is you can write off. And now multiply with 3. 3 into 21. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Plus 630 is the answer. If you want, you can separately multiply 21 into 30 and find out. If you are multiplying with any 10, 20, 30 or 10 multiple, directly you can take the 0 in the answer. Next one, D. Minus 316 into minus 1. Minus 316 into minus 1 is equal to. Multiply the sign. Minus into minus. Plus 316 into 1. It is 316. Okay. Is this clear? Next one. E. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Simply, in order of writing anything, just I put here 0. Why? You have a product with 0. 0 into anything will be 0. So, directly you can rewrite the question again. That is equal to 0, you say. Before starting this problem, I'd like to say one word for you. Suppose in any class, children, when I start any new main, if you feel that after listening 1 or 2 problems, if you feel I can do these all problems, pause the video and solve all the problems, and after you finish solving on the video and check your answers along with my answers, whether what you have done is right or wrong. Okay, let's move to the next one. F. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. You have 3 integers, product of 3 integers. Okay, select any 2 first, then third one you can multiply with the product. Okay, so here 10. Okay, 10 is very simple, right? These two I will multiply. Any two of your choice. Okay, 12 and 11, minus 12 minus 11 you can multiply, and the result you can multiply 10, or you can multiply those two and you can multiply this one. Any way you can enjoy mathematics, but you should know the concept properly. Okay, now these two I'll multiply, children. First, let me write the question again. Into minus 11 into 10. Okay, this is equal to minus 12 as it is I am taking, right? These two multiply, minus into plus. Minus into plus, it will be minus. When you got a minus, put a bracket. 11 into 10, 110. 11 tens are 110. Now these two do the product. Minus into minus plus 12 into 110. So 110 you have 0. Okay. So easy calculation. 110 into 12. 2 zeros are 0, 2, 2. And here 110. If you multiply, you are going to get 1320. Easily how you can do? 0. I have here 110. So 0 I have written already. Right? Then 12 11s. What is 12 11s? It will be 132. So write here 132. Total your answer is plus 1320 is the product of these three integers. Okay. Let's move to the next one. And this, any rough work if you do in mathematics, do in right side of your book. Right side, draw a line and then do all the rough calculations near this problem itself. Okay, for this problem, what rough work I have done? What is the multiplication I have done? Please show beside the problem. Okay. Next, G. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Now, which two numbers you multiply? Okay, let me multiply these two. These two let me multiply first. Okay, rewrite the question. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6 is equal to 9 into. Multiply these two. Multiply minus into minus plus. No, I'm writing plus. 3 6 18. 9 18s. Let us multiply here. 18 into 9. 9 8s are 72. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 7, 16. And your answer is 162. Next one, H. Here you can see product of three negative integers. If the product of two negative means minus into minus, it will be positive. Okay. Three negative integers, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. Okay. 4 minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, it will be plus. Simply you can remember as if you multiply two negative integers or two negative numbers, your result will be positive. 4 positive, 6 positive. Okay, suppose if you multiply three negative integers, you will be getting a result of negative integer. 5 negative integer. Okay, you remember this one. And now let's start with the H. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. So, any two you select first. Let me go with minus 5 and minus 4. Multiply these two. Rewrite the question. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Okay. These two first let us multiply. This one as it is minus 18 into. Okay. Multiply this sign. Minus into minus plus. Plus no need of writing. 5 4s are 20. Now these two multiply. Minus into plus minus. 18 20s. When you need to multiply like this, 18 20s. Any number with the 10 multiples, if you have the 0 as it is, you can take. 18 twos are 36. And your answer is minus 360. Okay. Next one, I. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Again, multiply two integers here. Let me multiply these two and these two. Okay. You can write the question again. I am writing directly here. Minus into minus plus no need of writing. 1 into 2 is 2. And here minus into plus, it will be minus. When you have a minus, use bracket. 3 4s are 12. Plus into minus, minus. 12 2s are 24. Your answer is minus 24. See the last one in this main. Again you have 4 negative integers you need to multiply. Again 2 try to multiply. First these two you multiply. Minus into minus plus 3 6 are 18. If you want you can put brackets or you can write only 18 also. Into minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2. Okay. Now plus into plus it will be plus. No need of writing that plus. 18 into 2. 18 2s are 36 is your answer. Is this clear, this main? So now these all problems try to do 2 times now itself. Okay. Then these type of product of integers all will be easy for you. Practice without seeing 2 times and then check your answer, correct yourself and write the one which you have done mistake once again. Let's see the second main. Verify the following. You can see 2 sub-questions in this. A. 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Verify. What we need to verify? Suppose if you simplify left hand side and right hand side, do you get both the answers same? If it is same, they are equal. If it is not same, those two are not equal, you can say. Okay, we need to solve this and verify. Let us do this one. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So at a time you can solve both. 18 into, remove from bracket minus 3, round bracket first, next square bracket. Do you remember BODMAS rule? If not, go to the mathematics basics, then come back here. Okay. 7 plus into minus, minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Okay. Plus 18 into minus 3. Multiply the sign first. Plus into minus, minus 18 3s are 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 will be 5. That is minus 54. And now this one, 18 into 7 minus 3 will be 4 is equal to, remove brackets, 126 plus into minus, minus 54. 18 4s are 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 72 is equal to, subtract these, 126 minus 54. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 12 minus 5 will be 7. Okay. So you got answer here 72. Observe here, left hand side and right hand side both got same answer. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. They asked us to verify, right? Hence it is verified. And you can remember a property. What is that? distributivity of multiplication over addition. Yes, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Same manner, we have another problem. Here, distributivity of multiplication over addition. Same manner, I think we may get LHS and RHS, same answer. Let us check it out. Minus 21, okay, into, let us do addition of these two integers. Look here, both are negative. When you are adding two negative numbers, take the negative sign and add the numbers. 6 plus 4 will be 10. Or you can remove from bracket plus into minus, minus 6. Minus 4 minus 6 will be minus 10. Okay? Is equal to. Now, minus into minus plus 21 fours are multiply. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 84 plus minus into minus plus 21 6 are 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. Okay. Now here you are multiplying here. See the symbols carefully whether you are doing multiplication or addition. Multiplication. Minus into minus plus no need of writing. 21 tens are 210 is equal to. Add these two. 126 plus 84. 6 plus 4 10. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. 1 plus 1 will be 2, that is 210 is your answer. So look carefully. LHS left hand side is equal to RHS right hand side. If they ask you to write the property, you can write the distributive property here, right? So therefore, hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. Let's move to the third main. For any integer A may be any integer. What is minus 1 into A equal to? What is minus 1 into A is equal to is your question. A is any integer. If for any integer, if you multiply minus 1, what happens? Minus into plus will be minus 1 into A. If any number, if you multiply 1 is called as the multiplicative identity. If you multiply 1, you get the same number, right? Here minus you have, minus into plus will be minus, 1 into A will be A. Therefore, minus A is the answer. And you can write here where A is an integer and it is a negative integer. A is an integer and it is followed with a negative sign, where minus A is a negative integer. Let's move to the second one in that. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. In this you have 3 sub-questions. Okay. For every number, product of minus 1. Product means multiply. Right? Product with minus 1 given. So again, let me write minus 22. Product with minus 1 is. Multiply minus into minus plus 22 ones are 22. Okay. And here B. 37. For 37 again multiply minus 1. Plus into minus, minus 37 ones are 37. And here for 0. 0 if you multiply minus 1, what happens? 0. 0 into anything will be 0. Okay, is this clear? Today we are going to end this session. In our next session, we are going to continue this exercise. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.